we're going to talk about some exploratory play toys that we use for that particular type of play. One of the examples would be bubbles. Now, the temptation here is to hand the child the bubbles and just let them play. But what we really want to do is to create as many communication opportunities as possible. And that's why we like to use some strategies around bubbles. And we especially want to use the strategy bit by bit. And how I would use bubbles is I would firstly hand it to the child so that they can explore the bottle and figure out. And a lot of kids and a lot of these bubble bottles, they have little balls in there as well that intrigue as well. So there's something to explore with it as well. So they can really feel what the bottle feels like, what it looks like. So I give them that. Even if they put it in their mouth, that's part of exploratory play. That is okay. We just wash it afterwards. So the next step would be to show them the bubbles if they haven't already had that exposure. So what I would do is do a first blow and then talk about what we see. I'd let them experience the bubbles. And what I usually do is catch the bubble on the wand, because a lot of kids have difficulty blowing. So we want to make it easy. So I'll blow the bubbles. We might, oh, look, bubbles, pop. And then as they have a look at the bigger bubble, we can go, oh, look, big bubble. And we might pop it to have a look. And then what I do is close it really, really tightly. And I'll go, oh, that was lovely bubbles. Do you want some more? Or we can find them. And if they do want some more and they're really interested, I go, okay, let's go get some more bubbles. Let's open. Oh, you help me. And we're going to open the bubbles. So now every time I close and open the bubbles, I have more opportunities. So we can go ready, steady, go with it as well. So we can go ready, steady, and then give that blow model. If they don't say blow, you might pass out if you hold your breath for the whole time. So I would just wait, and then if they don't say it, I'll model it. So modeling is one of the strategies we'd use as well. So we go ready, steady, blow, blow. So that's the model blow, and we catch one and go, oh, bubbles, bubbles, popping bubbles. So you can add some songs to it. We can, oh, look, we got a bubble. Sometimes I pop the bubble on their nose as well, and sometimes on my cameraman. So you can even blow it off the wand. Usually it's easier for a child to blow. You can catch it again. And usually that's loads of fun. And we can talk about closing it when I go again. Okay, so that's how I would use bubbles in a fun way. Another toy for exploratory play, and probably one of my favorites to use other than bubbles and balloons and those kind of people toys, would be these kind of track toys, or usually we call them click-clack tracks, because they make a click-clack noise as they go down. Now you get different versions of this. You can get toys with little cars, you can get toys with balls. So this one has balls and different colors. You usually want to have different colors so you can model different types of words as you do this. Now in this case, I want in view but out of reach as my strategy as well, and I want some choices because I want to model as much as possible. And this one has a cute little hammer goes with it as well. So what we might do is firstly we'll demonstrate how it's used. So we'll go, oh look, I'm putting the ball on. Sometimes you can match the colors of your wish. So sometimes you can talk about the same or not the same. So in this case, I'll match them, and we'll put ball on, ball on, ball on, and we go ready, steady, go. And then the ball, very excitingly, runs out to the end, and we're going to go again. And if a child wants to have a go at it, sometimes the hammer can be tricky. So even if they just push down, that's loads of fun as well. So if we're going to go again, I want to really make sure I get a hold of, it's now very hard to get a hold of it. I want to get a hold of them as quickly as possible. I might want to have a favorite color that they might like handy, and I want to make sure that this is now in view but out of reach. They can't grab it. So we'll go, now they know how the toy works, I want to show it. So we go, okay, which one should we go first? You want red ball or orange ball? And then if they reach for one, if they can't say the color, and they reach for it, we go, oh yeah, you want red ball. Okay, red ball on. If they want to immediately make that go, sometimes that's okay, but sometimes what I do is teach waiting, so we can go, okay, wait, let's get some more. Let's put orange ball on. We want to get some more, so I use kind of blocking to make sure that we can do the whole activity. But to be honest, if you just want to follow their lead, that's another way to do it as well. This one is also great to teach turn-taking skills, because you can go, okay, your turn, off you go. Yay, green ball goes down. So you can talk about on, down, the ball, the colors. And now it's my turn. And then if it's their turn, I'll take their hand, tap their chest and go, my turn. So they know I mean it's theirs. They have a go. And then, woo, down. Now, usually they want to grab the balls at the bottom. So when I'm playing the activity, I will quickly get rid of those, make sure I have that last one, and we go, my turn, here we go, on, wee, down it goes. So even fun sounds like wee and woohoo, really good for language. So that is our exploratory play.